Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. Today we're going to create a recipe with MetaBox and Zion Builder. Here is my example. As you can see, this page contains the recipe information. All of this information will be saved in a post of a custom post type. The recipe's name and the dish picture are the title and the featured image of this post. The remaining detailed information will be saved in the custom fields. I use MetaBox to create the custom post type and custom fields. And all of this information will be gotten and displayed by Zion Builder. As I said, we'll need the MetaBox Core plugin to have a framework for creating a custom post type and custom fields. It's free and available on WordPress.org, so you can download it directly. Besides, we need some MetaBox extensions for more advanced features. You can install them individually or use MetaBox AIO as I'm using. Make sure that you activate the following extensions. MB Custom Post Type helps to create custom post types. And MetaBox Builder has a UI on the back end to create custom fields easily. The last one is Zion Builder. I also use the Zion Builder Pro to have integration with MetaBox. Go to MetaBox and create a new post type for the recipe. After creating a new post type, you'll see a new menu appear here. It's your post type. Let's create custom fields. First, choose the text field for the simple information about the completed time. For the other text information that you want to edit and format, select this field. The last field is the video. Normally we use the URL field to save links, but if you use it, Zion Builder will display the link in text format only. Then we must take a few more steps to convert the link into the video preview. However, MetaBox has the OEM embed fields that allow you to save the link and display it as the video preview on the front end directly. So choose this one for more convenience. That's all for the custom fields. Next, move to the Settings tab. Choose Location as Post Type and select Recipe to apply these fields to this post type. Back to the post editor, you will see all of the newly created custom fields. Just fill in the information for the recipe. Now, I'll create a template with Zion Builder. Choose the All Recipes option so that this template will be used for all posts of the recipe's post type. I add a body to this template. And now edit it. First, go to the Page option. Choose Dynamic Data Review Source. In this section, you can see the source type and the post type name available. Here, choose the post of that post type to apply this template to it. Now, select the section to cover all of the recipe information. To get the recipe name, add a heading element and choose Post Title in the Dynamic Data section. You see that the title displays immediately. Next, choose this option to have two columns like this. This section includes information such as the dish image and the completed time. In the first column, add an image element. Since the dish image is also the featured image of the post, click on the Use Dynamic Data button here and choose Featured Image in the Post section. Now, the dish image has been obtained. Move to the second column, which covers all the information about the completed time. I'll create a container inside it. This one is for a row here. In this element, first, I'll get the information of prep time. choose the text element. Since this information is saved in custom fields created by MetaBox, use the Dynamic Data button to connect this element to the MetaBox fields. In the list of options, find MetaBox field. Then, click here to choose the field that you want to display. Here, I choose the prep time field. Then choose the heading element and name it. In this tutorial, I'll get information and style it visually as I like. I'm styling for all of the information in the prep time field. For the cooking time, resting time, and total time information, do the same. To save time, duplicate this component and change the information. For the ingredient information, I need another container in this section component, then rename it. In this container, choose the heading element and name it. Next, click the text element, then connect it to the corresponding field. The following information is similar, so do likewise. I also duplicate this component to save time, then just change the information inside. For the video information, I still use the text element to display it because the video element of Xyon Builder have not yet supported getting dynamic data. One more thing, remember to use the OEM-bed field as we did in the first step. So your video will be displayed on the page and you can play it directly. If you use the URL field, the video will be displayed as text only. We've finished getting all of the information about the recipe. Back to the front end, you see all the recipe information is already displayed. For styling, go back to the page editor with Xyon Builder. Then choose each component and change the settings to style them. Now, you will see a new look of the recipe page on the front end. That's all for the tutorial today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye.